is fighting with the branches of rhododendron. It's a nice day today. It is quite dry, but there's no much sunshine. It was sunny earlier today actually. I want to tidy this one up in here, but someone's gonna fix that rope in there first. So I think I better wait for them that one to be finished before I plant anything, or else it'll just get damaged as well. So that's another job for me to do. Just wait for someone who's supposed to be in here last week, but I don't know why they didn't turn up. Then I need to clean up the steps as well. I'm going to work soon. I'm just gonna plant some of the hyacinths at the bottom, which is color yellow. It's actually, I'm planting it for next year really, because it's a bit too late planting them now, but at least next year they'll just grow straight away. And I'm just gonna add more narcissus next year, so the road will be covered with flowers. That's the plan at the moment. Lots and lots of flowers around the area. Dexter, stop eating the grass, my love, because you're gonna get ill. Stop eating the grass. You're gonna get ill. No, you're gonna get chewed. Dex, stop it.